Hello everyone, this is Gautam Pohar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe this channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste on description box. Let's we have discussed uh, our job. Our first job, uh, our first job for WFM Planning Analyst. This is for Ahmedabad location and and experience need six months or more than. And how to apply this job? You can simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst. This is also from Ahmedabad location and salary is 2 LPA to 6 LPA and this is full-time opportunity for a fresher and this is your job description you can read here and after that you have apply and how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Surat, Gujarat location and salary is 18K to 25K per month and this is your job description if you apply to this job. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. uh, Another job is data analyst 2. This is also for from Surat location and salary is 30K per month. And how to apply this job? You can click here and fill the detail and this is your job description. Our second next job is data quality analyst. This is for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and this is your job description. And after that, there is nothing mentioned here. And how to apply this? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Surat, Gujarat location once again, and salary is 30K per month, and this is full time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. And in this job, you have need a Microsoft Excel and advanced Excel. And our next job is research analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary is 2 LPA to 6 LPA to. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is social media data analyst. This is for Dehradun, Uttarakhand location, and salary is 12K to 30K per month. And mm, mm, and this is also for full-time opportunity. And how and this is your job description and how to apply this job. You have click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job for business analyst. This is Chennai, Tamil Nadu location and salary is 6 LPA per month and qualification need bachelor and Microsoft Excel experience need. And how to apply this job? We have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job also for data analyst for Chandigarh location and salary is 25K to 30K per month and this is full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? We have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is a senior data analyst in Python and this is remote location and salary is 3 LPA to 15 LPA per year and this is a day shift and this is your job description. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Gurgaon location and this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is social media analyst. This is for Indore, Madhya Pradesh location and salary is 30K to 40K per month. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst 1. This is for from Gurugram location and and this is your job description. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is also senior analyst and senior